Article 6 talks about persons who have returned from Pakistan to India. Such persons can be citizens of India if two conditions are fulfilled. Number 1. His either parents or grandparents were born in India. Number 2. They have returned to India before 19th July 1948 and lived in India since then. But if they have returned after 19th July 1948, then they should have registered themselves by making an application through the officer appointed by the government for such purpose. And for making such application, the person who have returned from Pakistan to India must have lived in India for 6 months at least. Then only he and she can make an application. This provision for people who migrated after 19th July 1948 was available up till 25th July 1949 only.